Okay, so let's go ahead and create a script for our UZ. Right here in the scripts folder, rifles, let's create a new C# script by the name of UZ. Then if we click on this UZ, okay, which is in the right hand, let's attach the script right here. And now we can open the script in Visual Studio Code or any of your favorite browser, not browser, text editor which you are using. Now on this script, what we will do, we will be having the same code as we have on the handgun. So we can just copy first of all of the variables. Let me do it one by one. Okay, copy all of the variables from here, paste it right here. Then we will copy the awake and update function. So let me copy this as well. Okay, let's paste it right here. After this, let's copy this player move and the jump function as well. Let's paste it after the update. Okay, here it is. Then we have the sprint, and let's copy the shoot as well. Then we have the reload and show ammo. So we will copy all of them, and right here the jump function ends, so we will give one space and then we will paste it. And now we have all of the functions right here. Let me save this. And for the UZ, the maximum ammunition and the magazines will be similar to the handgun as well. All of the code will be similar to the handgun. So you can just copy all of that, paste it right here, and once you have done that, then simply get back to Unity, click on UZ, and now let's add all of the things. So the first one is the character controller. So just drag and drop the player game object. It will automatically select the character controller. Then it needs the animator, so we will do the same, drag and drop the player. Then we need the player camera. For that we will drag and drop this player camera, okay, which is the main camera. Then it needs the surface check, so drag and drop the surface check, and the surface mask will be this surface layer. Then it needs the camera again, so add that. Then it needs the hand, which will be this rifle holder. After this, it needs the player transform, so drag and drop the player in there. Then it needs the handgun too. And as you know, this is the UZ script. So what we will do is we will remove that handgun 2 code. Okay, we will actually comment this out for now, because we will be using this for the UZI2 instead of the handgun. Okay, so we can just comment this out for now, and later we will be focusing on this. So let's comment all of this. Once you have done that, get back to Unity again, and now it needs the muzzle spark or and the metal effect, and then the ammo out UI. For now, let's just drag and drop the ammo out UI. Now let's add the muzzle spark as well. Go inside GMO asset, var effects underscore effects, bullet impacts. Here is the metal, so let's drag and drop this metal in there. Now the muzzle spark, so we will go inside fire, then here it is, drag and drop that in there. Here on the scene view, where is it? Okay, it is showing the muzzle spark right there. I don't know why, for what reason, but what we will do, we will simply click on reset, and now as you can see, it is right here. It's a lot more bigger, so let's change the start size to 0.5. Now if you try to play it, it is now right there. Now let's put it in front of the bullet hole of the UZI. Okay, I think right here it looks good. Let's check it out. It is taking really long. It is such a headache fixing this thing. Okay, there it is now. Now as you can see, it looks good like right there. Now we play it. Okay, it looks good there, as you can see. So leave it right there, then simply drag and drop the other spark in there as well. And once you do that, now we have the script right here. Okay, and if you click on player, the UZI animator is already added and this player script is being disabled in the previous videos. Now if we play it, our player will be playing all of the animation correctly. Okay, let's close the game, click on animator, and let's delete that one now. Okay, and guys, let me tell you that the animation for the Uzi are similar to the handgun, so we will be not changing any of the animation right here. Just simply duplicate the handgun animator controller and it will be the same for the UZI as well, as you can see. Okay, now as you can see, the player is playing all of the animations. Okay, now if we shoot, as you can see, the player can shoot as well. Now we have both of the Uzis right here. Now in the next video we will work on this second Uzi, okay, which is that one. So with this done, I will see you guys in the next one.